Alright guys, so I'm doing a review on these Yves Veggie Cuisine Spicy Italian veggie sausages. So these were on sale. As you can see, it was $2 off the sale price. So I got this at a really good deal. It was like $2. So non-GMO. I'm going to do a quick taste test review for you guys. So if you guys want to read this, pause it. And this is the nutrient panel. There is the ingredients right here. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. So I'm going to cook this up, do a quick taste test for you, and see if it's actually worth purchasing. So, I've done reviews on products like this before, but I've never had this flavor. So you guys, good look there. And I'm going to cook it up. I'll be back, guys. Alright, so here is the Yves Italian sausage, and I cooked it up, so I'm going to do a quick taste test for you right now. Give you guys a good idea of what it looks like. There we go. It's got certain spices and herbs in there. You can see onions in there, so let's do a quick taste test. This is actually pretty good. So it's got a nice aroma to it. It's not salty whatsoever. The texture is a little bit fluffier than regular tofu texture, like you know how it's dense. This is fluffier texture. It's got a nice aroma. Tastes like Italian sausage, but like I said, more of a tofu type of texture, but lighter. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.